In this video, we're going to focus on the line chart intersect tooltips for streaming in Chartjs. This is part of the Chartjs Plugin Streaming Series. And in here, what we really want to do is the following. So we have here all our data, and you can see here this here. But you can see this just is not efficient. You have to go both, and you can see it's quite hard. You have to really follow along. And imagine I want this one and I want this one. I'm not able to read this. So how can we simplify this? Well, using the intersect, you can use that option created in here. So to do this, what we need to do here, we go in the options here, and then we can do anywhere between here. In the options, we can say the following: in interaction, and then in here we are going to use the command intersect. So intersect, and we'll set this on false. Meaning with intersect means when we cross them. So right now this is basically intersect here. As you can see, now we're intersecting or we're crossing it. But now we don't want to cross it. So we're going to do intersect, set this on false, comma here, and save this. Then refresh, and now you will see, now if we are just somewhere here, it will just show up. And this is far more easier how to spot them. This is exactly what we want to have. And with this, it will save you some time, and you don't have to be so precise exactly on your data points. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you enjoy it. And if you enjoy this video, you probably will enjoy this one as well. And if you're interested in Chartjs, check out in the description box the link directing to my Chartjs course, where you can learn everything about Chartjs. And finally, of course, make sure you subscribe to my channel.